Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I decorated my backyard for spring/summertime. I am so excited to be showing you guys my new patio set. This is a 7-piece set and I will have a link down below for you guys in the description box. This patio set is perfect for your friends and family when they come over, especially for spring and summer. It is pretty big. You can have it indoors or outdoors. And I cannot wait to show you guys how it turns out. When I went over to the garage and I started opening the box, I saw the color of the patio set and it was perfect. I wanted to build it. That was the plan. But then I realized that it was maybe a little bit too much for me. So I decided to wait on my husband. I did do the pillows. So that helped. After that, I just kind of like piled them up, had them ready. So then when the patio set was complete, I could just like put them on. So yeah, the following day, Evan put everything together. I didn't get a chance to film it. Let's move on to the backyard. So this area is where I will be displaying my patio set. I had Rio grass and unfortunately it died. I still wanted to show you guys even though it didn't look that pretty. It's okay. I also got this beautiful jasmines. I think it is jasmine if I'm not mistaken. I had like 5, 6, 7 of them. 7 little trees. But for this area, I thought 5 would be perfect. And then the kids helped me. Diego was helping me while I was recording. So that was really nice of him. Then Leo and Athena and Gigi wanted to be a part of it. So they helped over with the patio set. They brought the pillows from the garage. They were so excited that they were jumping all over the chairs. But luckily it was nice that the cushions were not on. But yeah, so this is how it looks like, our little setup. Super cozy. I absolutely love that Leo wanted to help and he was putting his input on how everything should look. I love it. He appreciates everything that I do around the house and always gives me a really nice compliment. When he sees that I decorate something nice, he just showers me with compliments and it's the best feeling ever just to know that he enjoys those little things that I do. I can't believe how grown Diego looks. He is now 12 years old. Can you guys believe it? 12. It is crazy. Time goes by so fast. And this is looking beautiful. Good job, Gigi. We're gonna decorate it now that we have it set. We're gonna decorate it and it's gonna look even better. Good job, guys. Thank you for helping. Gigi was so excited. She was jumping on top of the table while Athena and Leo were cleaning it. It was adorable. But yeah, I got some new pillows. I will link them down below for you guys. Some of them were pillow covers and some were pillows. These pillows right here, I found them at Home Goods. I don't know if they have them. They might have them this year. They're like for the outdoor, indoor area that you might have. When choosing patio decor for this patio set, I wanted to do something that was simple yet fun, and also that it kind of matched the decor that I have inside my home. So I wanted to incorporate black, whites, and greenery. Definitely greenery because I have a lot of greenery everywhere. So I got these patterns. I just thought they would look really nice all together. I did end up swapping those pillows, which you guys will see. I wasn't really feeling the buffalo print, so I went with something neutral, and I feel like that made it better. I wanted to make this area to be very inviting and fun during the day and at night. So I ended up adding some lights, and I will show you guys how this area looks at night. Both honestly are beautiful. Just everything is very inviting. I love that I put on the little coffee table some coasters, the picture, and just so that you get a better feeling of what it would be like to be out there just relaxing after a long day with the kiddos.
Wow! I like it.
You like it?
Jump on.
What do you think?
It looks nice. Oh, that's pretty.
And here you have it at night. Oh my goodness. This is cozy. This is nice. I am absolutely in love with my new patio set. If you guys are interested, don't forget, everything will be listed down below in the description box. I am so happy that I was able to share with you guys this area, that I was able to create this beautiful space. It is just another living space of my home where we can just relax and enjoy each other's company, whether if it's me and my husband or me and the kids. We love it. It's so nice and it's perfect for summer. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you are decorating for spring/summer. Do you have like an area where you like to hang out and just enjoy the weather at night or during the day? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, let me know if you prefer the buffalo print pillow cover or the neutral one. I will see you all on my next one. Bye, guys.